my friends, it is all about Thanksgiving on this video because I have two products for you that I designed for Sizzix that you are going to love if you like to do cards for Thanksgiving or place cards for Thanksgiving. I'm thinking about using one of these for my place cards at our dinner table for Thanksgiving. So I better show you that one first, right? It is our mini turkey. Now, a lot of you already have the large turkey, and I have been asked over and over and over again for a Sizzix version, meaning a smaller version of this turkey. So now you have the turkey stamps with the turkey dies and a die that says Happy Thanksgiving and the shadow for the words, of course, because I always do the shadows. Well, not always. I think I missed one time, but okay. Anyway, but look at how fun that is, and I have some fun samples to share with you. But imagine this as a cute little place card using the mini stand-up, which would be really cute. Or even, I'm thinking a name tag at Thanksgiving if you have people, like sometimes they don't all know each other, which would be very fun. Now, the other item is so new. As of the moment of this taping of this video, we don't have the packaging yet. Now, of course, by the time, because we tape once a month, I don't know if you know this, we tape once a month for all the videos for the next month. So I'm taping this almost a month before this item's gonna come out. We'll get it in time, don't worry. So by the time you watch this video, don't worry, it's in stock. It is, and I know it doesn't look like anything here, but don't worry, I have samples. Happy Thanksgiving pop-up, a 3D inside card pop-up, which is so fun, and a cute little leaf, and an acorn, and a little pumpkin. Are you ready for some samples? Here, let me show you the sample right away. So look how cute the little leaves and the pumpkins and the acorn. Open it up. Happy Thanksgiving. Can you imagine how cute this would be if you sent this out to somebody like for Thanksgiving when actually you were inviting them to Thanksgiving dinner? How beautiful is that? So fun. Here's another one. Oh, with our cute little mini basket and then adding the little leaves and then you open it up. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, there's that turkey and this designer added little wiggly eyes. Great idea. Look how beautiful that is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, here's another one. Cute little turkey, all decorated and ready to go. Oh, here's another pop-up. Ready? For you with our triplet leaf. Open it up. Happy Thanksgiving. Look how fun that is. Can you see how it's literally popping up? So it's 3D. Oh, look at this cute little guy on this step-up card. Now, hearts don't have to be for Valentine's Day. This is the heart step-up, perfect for Thanksgiving. Isn't that fantastic? Here's another step-up with the cute little turkey. Happy Thanksgiving. Fun little dies right there. And certainly not last but not least, another 3D pop-up. Open it up. Happy Thanksgiving. Now check out our idea gallery. We have lots of other ideas on our website. And club members, you get the club discount on these fantastic products. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon.